Good morning, 4th standard. Today I explain the story of Amrita, and this is our 4th video. I explained in our 3rd video about how Amrita, villagers and Amrita's daughter save trees and how they give their life to save the trees. So here also some questions I wrote on the board, as well as I will give the answers of this question. First I will read the book and give you the answers by reading questions. So some time back you have read in the newspaper or seen on TV how some film actors had to face legal action for hunting a black buck. आफ्टर सम टाइम मतलब कि आज भी जो हंटिंग करते हैं एनिमल्स का, उसके रिलेटेड आज 300 साल बाद भी ऐसा रूल बना हुआ है कि जो हंट करेगा उसको पनिशमेंट मिलेगा। तो आज भी हम लोग देखते हैं कि या रीड करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर में या टीवी में देखते हैं कि किसी फिल्म एक्टर ने, फॉर एग्जांपल Salman Khan, hunt black buck, and for that he get punishment to stay in prison or jail, right? So nowadays we can also see some people or some people hunt the animals. Is it good? Do you think is it good? No, it is not good, because animals also have life like us, right? They are also a living thing and they have pain after hunting, right? So here on page number 36 there is a discuss point in that this is the first question, why do people hunt? लोग शिकार क्यों करते हैं? So the answer is for fun, for bones and for skin. As we all know that the teeth of elephant is very costly, very precious. So for getting that teeth, some people hunt elephant also. That is not good. And the skin of some animals we use as leather. For example, cheetah. The skin of cheetah we use its skin as a leather, and by getting this skin some people make purse, jacket, these shoes, these all kind of things by that skin. So that is also a very costly, but for that is not good. Hunting animals to get all these things. Why do you think there is this punishment? So here there are rules against hunting of some animals. People can be punished for hunting. आजकल hunting ना हो इसके लिए कुछ पनिशमेंट्स गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू प्रिपेयर किए गए हैं, कुछ रूल्स बनाए गए हैं। आपको क्या लगता है कि ये रूल्स या पनिशमेंट क्यों बनाए गए हैं? सो द आंसर इज फॉर सेविंग लाइफ ऑफ इनोसेंट एनिमल्स। जो बेगुनाह है, निर्दोष हैं, जिनको पता भी नहीं है कि दे आर हंटिंग बाय पीपल फॉर देयर फन, जो पीपल का फन है, पीपल को मजा आए, इसके लिए उनका शिकार होगा, वो इनोसेंट एनिमल्स को नहीं पता है. सो व्हाई शुड दे हैव फन ऑफ हंटिंग पीपल? वी हैव टू सेव द एनिमल्स as well as plants. So please don't hunt the animals for your fun. Right? Now, which bird did they see around them when they were of your age? See, we also want to know about the past, and if you want to know the past, you go to your parents or your grandparents. They will explain how they were in their childhood when they are age of yours, right? So the answer of this question is this question's answer is goat, cuckoo, cow, manna, pigeon. These all birds and animals, they were see when they were of your age. जब आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आपकी एज के थे तब वो कुक्कू मतलब कि मैना, कुक्कू बोलो या मैना बोलो एक ही है. Then pigeon, cow, goat, these all animals and birds, they were so in their childhood. Sorry, they were see that birds and animals in their childhood. On page number 37, the question is Shanti's grandfather told her that when he was a small child, he saw more birds like sparrows and manna than he sees today. So the question is, can you make two guesses why their numbers have become less? So can you make two guesses why their numbers have become less? जो मैना और स्पैरो जो शांति के ग्रैंडफादर देखते थे अब उनके चाइल्डहुड में जब वो शांति की एज के थे, तो ऐसे कौन से बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स हैं और क्या रीज़न है जो आजकल हमें ये बर्ड्स कम देखने को मिलते हैं? Hunting, destruction of forest and trees which reduce their living area. Hunting, पहला रीजन क्या था? हंटिंग, हंटिंग मतलब शिकार करना. दूसरा, जो पहले के ज़माने में ट्रीज और फॉरेस्ट जो काटे जाते थे वो क्यों? तो भाई जो किंग थे उनके पैलेस को बनाने के लिए और उनके फन के लिए जो वुड था ट्री का वो उनको चाहिए था. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि आजकल फॉरेस्ट एंड ट्रीज का डिस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है, मतलब कि नाश हो रहा है. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड वन थिंग इज व्हाट इज जो उनके एरिया में जो ट्रीज थे वो सारे आजकल कट हो चुके हैं. दैट इज द रीजन दैट these trees and animals can less. Now, which kind of trees can you see a lot of in your area? Name two such trees. So, the trees like mango and coconut. Trees like mango and coconut. मतलब कि जो more the trees having more branches and the tree which is tall and large. That is the reason that we can see the mango and coconut trees in our area. Now this last question, find out more about these trees from your elders. As I explained in before question that mango and coconut tree, so I will explain first about mango tree. So mango is a very tasty and juicy fruit, right? Mango trees grow very large and branchy. The bud of mango come in the month of January. जो मैंगो बर्ड के जो बर्ड होते हैं, कली होती है, वो कौन से मंथ में आती है? जनवरी में, राइट? The fruit starts ripening from middle of April. जो मैंगो का जो फ्रूट है वो कौन से मंथ पे पकना स्टार्ट होता है? इन द मिडल ऑफ अप्रैल. मिडल मतलब कि आफ्टर 15 डेट ऑफ अप्रैल द मैंगो fruit will ripening will start. These are many varieties of mango. There are जो मैंगो फ्रूट में बहुत सी वैरायटी होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लंगड़ा मैंगो, पायरी मैंगो, दशहरी मैंगो, दाडम मैंगो, बादाम मैंगो, देन हाफूस मैंगो एंड केसर, राइट? So these are different varieties of mango as I told. Now I will explain about coconut trees and about coconut fruit. The coconut is fruit with water inside. जो coconut का जो fruit होता है, coconut मतलब नारियल, नारियल का जो fruit होता है उसके अंदर पानी भरा हुआ होता है, right? Understood? कोकोनट ट्रीज ग्रोज वेरी टॉल. जो कोकोनट का पेड़ जो होता है वो बहुत ही ऊंचा, एकदम हाइट में होता है. एंड वी कैन सी द कोकोनट ट्री इन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर्स और इन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर बैंक और सराउंडिंग एरिया ऑफ सीज, राइट? The leaf of coconut trees are very large. जो कोकोनट ट्री के जो लीव्स होते हैं वो बहुत लार्ज और बहुत ही शार्प होते हैं. The season of ripening of coconut is September. जो कोकोनट ट्री जो है उसका फ्रूट पकना सितंबर महीने से स्टार्ट होता है. Right? Now I explain these all questions answer, right? And before in our third video I explain about how Amrita and her daughter and villagers of Khejadli village give their life to save the trees. And in her childhood Amrita make a friend and she greet some special trees every day, right? So this is the reason they give their life to save the trees, and this is the real story of Khejadli village. And Khejadli village is near the Jodhpur in Rajasthan, right? So please write these question answers in your notebook with good handwriting plus without making any spelling mistake, so that you can read that question and answer, or you can prepare that question and answer without making any spelling mistakes. And this is, I will send the answer of these questions with this video. You can copy that answers in sorry, from the PDF and be safe at your home.